Crypto news they don't want you to know. You wanna know them? Then smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, Crypto to the Most, with your host, Rodrigo Arnedo here. And today, let me tell you, very interesting pieces of information. But first things first, in our artificial intelligence channel, AI News, we have more than 4,000 riders already. So thank you very much for your support. Also, we are close to 1,000 subscribers on our English channel after 362 videos. So we are trying, you can tell that. In AI News, 50 videos, just made that for those 4,000. So you can see that people are in Spain more interested in our artificial intelligence channel than in learning English. But you can, if you want, with our channel. Go there, links in the description below. If not, keep with us in the crypto world, of course, with crypto news. And remember, we have the crypto news and we have the best apps out there, like Over the Reality. You can map and earn some tokens, some OVR tokens, some good money, and you are using the codes like crazy. I gave you 100 codes and those just fly. So now you have 100 more actualized upgrade in the description below. So go there and use your, we told you on our YouTube channel. Also, we told you in our all social media. So, for example, here on X, Twitter, you will know first. Follow us in social media. That would be a good idea. And if you don't know about Map to Earn, watch our dedicated video because it's awesome. Again, link in the description below. You need one of those invitations in order to start earning. What about Bitcoin? Well, we keep on going higher, maybe. We are between red and green, depending on the moment you watch the channel. 4 days in a row in the green, and we are fighting for the fifth, above $69,000. But regarding charts, go to the last episode. We told you about this situation with the dollar we don't really like, and also about this gap in the CNMV futures. Go to the video, watch them all. But today, with the good news they don't want you to know. They are buying institutions, and you know about that. We told you in the past, and we tell you every day. Here you can see how those institutions had a new green day, which is awesome. Consider that BlackRock and Fidelity spot Bitcoin ETFs ranked first and second in assets after their first 50 days of trading for ETFs. That's a record. Also, those ETFs have more assets in their first 50 days than any ETF ever launched globally. Consider that the 9, they bought 408,000 Bitcoin. The worth is $33.6 billion in just 51 days. So maybe they don't want you to know this exists, they don't want you to buy this, but they are buying for good. Now, we have some rumors out there. This might be fake news because Morgan Stanley is not pro crypto, but allegedly in 2 weeks we might have the ETF for Morgan Stanley. That would be huge. As huge is that if you go to Coinbase, the Bitcoin reserves there hit a 9-year low. That's bullish because of the liquidity crisis that we announced. Also, an old Bitcoin wallet from 2010 just moved 140 million worth of Bitcoin. The owner of the wallet held it all the way from 0.30 to 71,000. What a legend! What a legend! And you can see also, as we tell you, that small investors are selling to huge whales. This keeps on happening, but what will happen when this pace slows down and they have no more Bitcoin to buy out there? Price will rise, of course. In any case, this is not financial advice. I'm not an expert. Not even Satoshi Nakamoto knows what is going to happen. But you can see that companies like MicroStrategy that are all in on Bitcoin, they are going higher. Now MicroStrategy surpassed eBay, becoming the 280th largest company in United States, and we'll see it going higher in my opinion. Also, what about this? One day after issuing a letter of intent to buy 24,800 Bitcoin, Nilam Resources sees their stock soar 1,840%. This is a stock market. This is a gold company, and you can see in the hourly chart how it went crazy up. It's a pump and dump in the stock market. This is a longer time frame. This is the monthly chart for Nilam Resources. And again, what happened there? Well, I'm gonna leave you this information below if you want to dig deeper. But the idea is that the CEO went out there in social media and he said that he had the intention of buying 24,800 Bitcoin. A gold mine company. So a gold mine company buying Bitcoin, the gold 2.0. That's crazy. Now that CEO resigned. So we don't know if this is just a perpetrated pump and dump or he had a bad intention or it's a misunderstanding. We'll see about the company. We'll see about the stock of Nilam right now. And this is also huge. Elon Musk telling us that 2024 is going to be a very, very interesting year. It's going to be spicy. What does that mean? Well, we have here Doge Designer telling us that maybe 2024 is going to be the year of X payments. And remember, Elon Musk X, the everything app, and Dogecoin, maybe Dogecoin, Bitcoin are gonna be there on that platform. That would be huge. That's why I keep on being extremely greedy, trying to tell you all the information that they don't want you to know. Like, for example, maybe bad things. Tomorrow we'll know for how long Sam Bankman-Fried is going to be in jail. We'll tell you here in Crypto News. Smash the like button, please. That helps us a lot. Also, maybe bad thing. Swift platform will launch in 12 to 24 months. The possibility for those CBDCs out there. So remember the enemy. We have CBDCs. That's digital currencies from governments, countries, and then we have Bitcoin Satoshi's freedom. Also, bad news out there, maybe a good one. Crypto exchange KuCoin now, those are persecuted by justice in United States. They say that they didn't have the Know Your Customer till 2023 and all the things that they say to exchanges out there. Remember Binance case? Well, now it's time for KuCoin. Bad things for the exchange, of course, but I believe this is good for the market as a whole, as again, we are like kind of cleaning the bad stuff we did in the past and everything now is clean and perfect for the future users. Maybe so. You can see if you invested in this cryptocurrency that you lost yesterday, 16% of your value. The market between red and trying to be a little bit green, Ethereum again going down, and some bubbles trying to be in the green, some AI related ones, but mostly in the red too. Some of you asked me questions in the comments below, like for example, Facundo, he told me if I can talk about LBC. It's going up, but why? Well, I don't know why precisely, but it's true that we are going higher. Remember, the SEC went after this protocol. This intends to be somehow a YouTube decentralized. We'll see which is the app that makes it in that range. You can go to odyssey.com, watch our videos, and get some of these LBC credits. So I didn't find a specific piece of information. All the market is going up. So maybe some believers on the project, because the project is okay, well, they are pumping the price right now. Also holders like myself, I'm not gonna sell this because I trust this might go higher, but who knows? We'll see in the future. If you know what's going on with LBC, let me know in the comments below. Thank you very much. And thank you very much to all of you that tell me news. Like, for example, some of you told me about this coin called Dead, and they have this airdrop, and community is mad because they were expecting like 1,000 Dead for one Polkadot, and you are going to have 36. So thank you. I'm going to install my Polkadot wallet again because I uninstalled it, and I will try and see if I have some of these airdrops. Again, be careful out there if you're trying to follow the method in order to claim them. Be careful out there. There are a lot of scams. If they ask you for your password, for your words, well, those are trying to scam you. Beware. I'm gonna leave you this box mining link below, but it might be false too. So again, be very, very, very careful with this airdrop. We try to find the best interesting ones, but without being scammed. And also, we have this concern about a vulnerability on MacBook. So if you have your crypto in a MacBook in the chips series M1 and 2, you might have this vulnerability, and it's very difficult to solve from Apple, maybe at OS level in the future. So I tried to investigate this a little bit because you asked me for that. They say if you are a regular user, it's not easy that a hacker is going to go after you, but of course there are some risks out there. How to mitigate them? Be careful out there. How you store your words, your private keys, etc. Also, upload your OS. That would be a good thing. And of course, using a cold wallet is the best idea. Like, for example, Trezor, amazing one. You have all the information about it in our website, fanontheright.com, crypto safety, dedicated video to Trezor. And right now, so funny, if you follow them on social media, they say that Trezor now speaks French, Spanish, and German. And myself, I'm a part of this campaign.
Ahora Trezor habla español.
Now Trezor speaks Spanish, speaks French, and also speaks German. So interesting. So I wanted to give this information to you, and I already I'm using it in my Trezor device. So I went to Trezor Shoot, and it would tell me to upgrade the platform, but also to upgrade my Trezor. So once I did that, I have version 2.7.0, and then you go to your configuration settings up there, and you can see that the application, the Trezor Shoot, is already in Spanish, but we have to click on device, and in device you'll see, I'm hiding it right now just for a second here, that we are in English. Well, what do we have to do? You have to go there, click, and select the Spanish, and then follow the instructions that you will have in your device, in your Trezor. After that, it's going to ask you change language to S. Yes, click OK, and then el lenguaje cambió with success. So nice. Then whenever you want people to send you, for example, Bitcoin, you can see here that it says dirección destino. So yeah, it's in Spanish. Awesome stuff. Also French, also German. Those are the news for today. This cat is so anxious for more. But if it's the case for you too, you have to wait till tomorrow. You want more? Today we're going to release a new video on AI. So go there and tell me if you already watched the 51 videos you have there. If you want more crypto, then go to one of these two, or maybe one of the 1,800 that we already did. Here on Crypto News with Rodrigo Arnedo, health, money, love, power in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!